Long-lasting moisture on your facade creates living ground for fungi and algae. The facade loses its vibrant and shiny color. Using ordinary plasters, it soon becomes greenish and looks dirty. In order to create long-lasting facades, we developed Baumit StarTop, the next generation of silicone plaster, with the all-new dry pour effect. Like a coral, Baumit StarTop has a large surface with lots of tiny cavities and pores, resulting in a very fast and broad distribution of water lying on the surface. The result is a quicker drying facade. The hydrophobic nature of the plaster provides great water drainage behavior. During a rainstorm, raindrops slide down the facade very easily and wash part of the dirt away. During misty and foggy mornings, the hydrophilic property in coral structure causes the moisture to spread out into a thin layer and is then partly absorbed into the topmost layer of the surface. When the sun comes out, the moisture vaporizes quicker. The dry pour effect is the combination of the hydrophobic and hydrophilic features of the new filler. It keeps the facade dry and bright. Baumit StarTop means a quick drying surface with increased protection against algae and fungi and best processing properties. Baumit StarTop keeps your facade dry and clean. Baumit, ideas with a future.